Hey, once again, beautiful Danish tubers, Danish learners. Here's another fresh look at 4 verbs that also mean look. Let's do it. Let's start with KIGGE, and this one's pretty straightforward. It is a casual look, a quick glance, not super intense, usually just you, your eyes, and a quick look at something. Example, jeg kigger ud af vinduet. I'm looking out of the window. Hun kiggede på mig, men sagde ingenting. Guess that was a good thing. She looked at me, but didn't say anything. See? KIGGE is the laid-back cousin of all the other verbs we're about to explore. No pressure, just a quick glance. Next up, number 2, we have at see. Now this one's interesting because it can mean both to see and to watch. And this is where see and KIGGE are most commonly confused, because when you are watching TV, you have to use the verb ser, not KIGGE. It is something that's more intentional. You're actively observing or watching something. Jeg ser en film. I'm watching a film. Kan du se den fugl? Can you see that bird? There's not actually any bird there, it's just a tree. So this is when you're actively engaging with something visually, whether it's a movie or a bird, or who knows, maybe both, a movie about birds. Then usually you're going to be watching it or seeing it. Okay, number 3, let's switch gears a little bit and look at søge. At søge. This is where it starts to feel a bit more like a treasure hunt, because now you are seeking information of some kind. It also just means to search, but you know, in English we've kind of seen, I'm looking online, when we're trying to find some kind of information, or even when we are searching for, looking for a new job. Jeg søger et nyt job. So søge has this whole thing about putting effort into finding something, whether it's a dream job or Danish grammar like in this video, and I have a bunch of them. Check out all the other ones on my channel. Lastly, number 4, we have at LEDE. And again, things can be a little tricky because this actually means 2 different things. It means to lead, as in to be a boss, to lead other people, and it also means to search for. But it's not just any searching, it's maybe, you might say, a little bit more intense, like you're trying to find something and you're doing everything you can to find that thing. You are looking for this thing. If you're anything like me, you've probably lost your keys, wallet, phone, or any or all 3 of them all together. Og nu leder du efter dem alle sammen. Jeg leder efter mine nøgler. I'm looking for my keys. I literally once made a video called Where Are My Keys? Because I literally always lose keys. Another example could be, if you're a pirate, de leder efter deres forsvundne skat. They're looking for their lost treasure, searching for it. So you're really doing some digging, searching, moving everything to find the thing that you need. You might also just use this one when you're in the supermarket, looking for something very like, you know, what are you looking for? Hvad leder du efter? Jeg leder efter mel. Hvor har I det? I'm looking for the flour. Where is that? So there you have it, Danish tubers. That's the difference between at KIGGE, at see, at søge, and at LEDE. Hopefully now you're an expert at all things looking and searching. Remember, put this into practice when you are speaking. And speaking of searching, maybe it's time you searched for that little like button and lead your way over to the comment section, or maybe even that subscribe button, and do all those sort of YouTubey things. Thanks for hanging out with me a little bit, and I'll see you in the next video on DanishTube. Hi.